Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good Wednesday in the market. September 21st, Jerome Powell spoke today, FOMC minutes. That's what we're seeing right here, the price action. And we'll talk about that briefly. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy Money sticks around. We have a Twitter you can follow us on at Happy Money YT. And Discord server link for that is in the description. How this will affect the GME rally, if we have one. Well, he's 75 basis points, which is what was expected. So part of me says the market likes it when they get what they expect. Doesn't scare them. So I could see a rally with that mindset. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure how it will take it, honestly. TA wise, it does look like we still have this RSI divergence in the daily. Big green candle. I don't know if you consider it engulfing since this one's also green. But also have inside bars here too. So there's either continuation to the downside from this trend or it's a reversal. And yet to be seen. I would say once we break the high or low of this daily candle body, that's 382 and 388 to the upside. I think the trend will be decided, and if it breaks to the upside, we'll probably rally and probably fill this gap at least up here at the 401. And if it breaks the downside, probably at least fill this 377 and probably just keep on slipping if it goes down. I think the upside's limited. Basically, the rally's limited, I think, for the shorter term. Downside, I think that's a lot more. We have a lot more to go down basically before we go up. So if we do go up, it'll be short-lived. If we do get a bit of a bear market rally, I don't think it'll be this big or long. It will probably be a bit shorter. So with GME in that, I actually yesterday I kind of misspoke because I said we don't need SPY to rally. Then I was looking back and I'm like, it's been every time SPY's rallied, or GME hasn't rallied without SPY rallying basically. So sorry about that. I looked at it, I'm like, we actually, because I knew sometimes we did, but I just looked at it closer. I'm like, wow, it's actually literally been every time. So I looked at each kind of cycle, pinch, whatever, and it actually has just been on a SPY rally. So I'm gonna say if we don't get that bear market rally, then the upside on a GME cycle would be very limited, and we'd probably just see downside. So that's why I think it's pretty important which direction SPY goes from here for GameStop and even the rest of the market. We did get that engulfing candle yesterday on GME, and yeah, today I think is the last day for OPEC's obligations, and it's not looking good so far. I mean, the market's volatile; it's coming down now. Yeah, so I'll probably actually open up some bearish positions for kind of a price target down here. High teens or 20 range. I'm not sure if we'll break this low or not, but yeah, I already have positions for the upside, and I'll probably start closing them. Maybe some today. I closed some yesterday on a pretty good high actually, but probably close some more. Slowly scale out of it. Today on SPY, I did some more futures, kind of scalping. Where did I trade it actually? I don't know. I did small moves on this downside. Actually, I caught that engulfing candle, and then I caught a little upside somewhere in here, and then I was so bored waiting for FOMC, I fell asleep. So I closed my positions. I was planning on getting puts before it, but I was sleeping and missed this drop. But that's okay because I woke up and here we are, nap over, and I was able to get my calls. Well, my longs on the future. So got future longs here on this breakout candle. Rallied up to here. I closed it out here. Could have closed a little earlier. Saw the inside bar, and then it broke the low of that inside bar, which is here, which is where I should have closed it. I waited a little too long. Actually, I waited through all of this. I closed it out here on this candle. So close that. I did want to hold it long term, but I'm not too sure how the market's going to take this, honestly. I thought 75 basis points probably rally, especially because the TA is looking bullish, but I'm going to wait and see. Wow, it looks like we just actually made a decision. Yeah, that's crazy. So today's making such a big move just because JPAL. Our body on this candle is now lower than this candle back here. So might be taking it bearish. Yikes. Have to position accordingly. Borrow fee on GME has not gone up. Stayed at a nice elevated 10%, but looking for that to increase as well as the volume before I think we see a rally. My BBY stuff is going to be, I'm gonna have to roll that even further. There's no, I didn't do any trades today. That's good. Waiting for this meeting. So depending on the direction it goes, I think it could last a bit that direction until we get more economic data, CPI, yeah, or of course any external factor with Russia or anything like that could affect things. No trades today, so that's nice. I have two $25 puts on GME. I'll probably do some spreads down there, maybe even a call credit spread up here. I haven't done credit spreads in a while, and I need to start doing those again. Yeah, I'm a bit surprised if it actually takes this bearish. It looks like it's going to. So Jerome Powell's a little short with his answers too, and that some of the catchphrases and some of the kind of the headlines you'll see from his speech could be perceived kind of bearish, and it's looking like it's going to be. So not a whole lot for you guys. Hopefully you can trade it. I'll probably be shorting futures if it seems it's going that way. Just the December contracts on the S&P. Just sticking with the micros. The mini futures I don't have enough margin for. So yeah. We do have IPOs coming out. I don't know if this is good or not. Probably not, but 9/22 we have one coming out tomorrow. No, two coming out tomorrow. LPTV and then laser photonics. So I've got a little position in both those, 2,000 in each, and try and just make the shares free. If it has a gap up, make it free. It's just, selling my initial capital that I invested with, and then having free shares. So this is actually kind of an unusual move after Powell. Typically after he talks, we've rallied. Not just this rally, but the rally will continue till end of day. So this might be a fake out. We might be going up from the news. We'll see. Yeah, but we did break that low, so looks like we're filling this gap at least before we do anything, either up or down. And GME is coming right along with it. That's what I got for you guys. I'll see you on Discord. Peace out.